The questions asked in the NTA UGC-NET examination from syllogism can be categorized into two types. The first type, that is statement conclusion question, and the second type, that is square of opposition. So at first we have to know what you mean by a statement conclusion questions. Okay, so basically in the statement conclusion questions there are a lot of statements and students have to verify the given conclusion follow the statement or not. That is called as statement conclusion type questions. Okay, so today we are going to explain one of the most interesting part from logical reasoning paper 1 chapter 6, that is square of opposition. Okay, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Tutelage, a guide to learner. Here this is Sriparna. I hope all of you are doing good. So if you have missed my last session, so please just go and check my first comment and my description box where my last session link is already provided. And if you like my video, so please do one like, share and comment, and please do some support and subscribe my channel for getting more useful session. So let's get started the session. So here we can see there are four combination of the statement. The first one is contradictories, the second one is contraries, the third one is subcontraries, and the last one, that is subalterns or subalternation. Okay, so at first we have to discuss the contradictories part. So basically contradictories are very much similar to the complementary pairs, and in the combination of the contradictories there are two pairs. The first pair, that is A and O, and the second pair is E and I. Okay, so A basically indicates which type of statement. So basically A indicates all A or B kind of statements, I indicates some A or B kind of statements, O indicates some A or not B kind of statement, and E indicates no A or B kind of statements. I think this is clear. Basically, contradictories has two pairs. The first pair, that is A and O, and the second pair, that is E and I. Clear? So basically, contradictories indicates that type of statement which cannot be true together and cannot be false together. That means contradictories, in the combination of the contradictories, one statement is true, another one and or another statement will be obviously false. Okay, so for the first pair, that is A and O. Okay, so if A is true, okay, so the O type of statement with same subject and predicate will be obviously false. Okay, and O type, if O type of statement is true, so A type of statement with same subject and predicate will be obviously false. I think this is clear. So all, for example, we can say all A or B is true. So some A or not B will be definitely false. Okay. On the other hand, some A or not B is true. So all A or B will be definitely false, because they cannot be true together and cannot be false together. So this is applicable on the other pair, that is E and I. Okay, so now coming to the next combination, and the next combination is contraries. Okay, so A and E. Okay, so A and E is the pair of contraries. Okay, so contraries, that type of combination basically indicates that type of statement which indicates they cannot be true together but can be false together. Okay, so that means if the A statement, so A is true, but the E type of statement with same subject and predicate will be definitely false, because they cannot be true together. But E is false. Okay, E type of statement is false, the A type of statement with same subject and same predicate cannot be true or false. So nothing can be said about A type of statement because they can be false together also. So I think this is clear. Similarly, A type of statement is false. Nothing can be said about the statement E. I think this is clear. So basically contraries A and E are is basically the pair of contraries and which indicates they cannot be true together but false can be false together. Okay. So now coming to the next combination, and the next combination that is subcontraries. Okay. For example, in the case of contraries, A type of statement basically indicates all A are B. Okay. So all A are B is true. So no A are B is obviously false because both cannot be true together. Similarly, we can say no A or B is false, so nothing can be said on the A type of statement, that is all A or B. So now coming to the next combination of the statement, and the next combination of the statement is subcontraries. Okay. So I and O basically the pair of subcontraries. So what do you mean by a subcontraries, or subcontraries indicates what is indicated by the subcontraries? So basically subcontraries indicates that type of statement which can be true together but cannot be false together. Basically, subcontraries is the just opposite to the contraries, because in the combination of the contraries they cannot be true together but can be false together. And in the combination of the third combination of the statement, subcontraries basically indicates both statements can be true together but cannot be false together. Okay. So now going to the discussion of the subcontraries. So basically, in the case of subcontraries, the I type of statement is false. That means O type of statement with same subject and predicate will be definitely true. Okay. But I type of statement is true. Nothing can be said about O type of statement with same subject and predicate, because they can be true together but cannot be false together. I think this is clear. For example, we can say I type of statement basically indicates some A or B. So some A or B is false, some A or not B or O kind type of statement will be definitely true. Okay. But O type of statement is true. I type of statement, that means some A or B will be false or true. So nothing can be said about on the I type of statement. So I think this is clear. Sub-contraries combination. Now coming to the last combination of the statement, and that is subaltern or subalteration, and it is basically similar to the implication. Okay. So basically subalterns indicates truth downward and the falsity upward. Clear? So subalterns has two pairs basically, which is similar to the contradictories. The first pair, that is A and I, and the second pair of the subalterns, that is E and O. Clear? So A is true. So basically truth downward. So that means I type of statement will be also true. Clear? Now going to the next pair of subalterns, and that is E and O. We have already told subalterns indicates truth downward and falsity upward. So that's why O type of statement is false. So E type of statement will be always false. Okay. So some A are not B is false. No A or B is obviously false because uh, subalterns indicates truth downward and false upward. So I think square of opposition, the four combination of the statement is already clear. So we have already told there are four combination of statement. The first one is contradictories, the second one is contraries, third one is subcontraries, and the last one that is subalterns. So basically contradictories indicates both statement cannot be true together and cannot be false together. So now going to the next combination, and that is contraries. So contraries basically indicates they cannot be true together but can be false together. And third one, that is subcontraries, basically indicates they can be true together but cannot be false together. And the last combination of the statement, that is subalterns, indicates there is a truth downward and falsity upwards. I think this is clear. So learner, we are done for the today's session. I hope that session would be a very important session to everyone. We will discuss some important question answers from that portion in my next session. And if you like my videos, so please do one like, comment and share, and please do some support and subscribe my channel for getting more useful session. And I will come again with a new topic, new session. Till then, stay tuned. Happy learning. Keep commenting. Thank you.